I'm on the island of Phi Phi Don, which is one of the most beautiful and certainly one of the most popular resort destinations in Thailand. Now it's from here that the 16th King's Cup Regatta will set forth before cruising over to its home base on the island of Phuket. So prepare yourself for an overdose of sun, sea and serious sailing. The Phuket King's Cup Regatta is Asia's biggest and most popular regatta. The week-long event consists of great parties, great sailing and lots of fun. Inaugurated in 1987 to celebrate the 60th birthday of His Majesty the King, the event has been held every year during the first week of December. The regatta is organised under royal patronage and the auspices of the Yacht Racing Association of Thailand and the Royal Varuna Yacht Club, in conjunction with the Royal Thai Navy, Tourism Authority of Thailand, the Provincial Authority of Phuket and the Phuket Yacht Club Association. There were yachts here from around the world, among the top contenders Yo and Neil Pride on High Fidelity.
Yacht. Nice one!
Well, it would be difficult to find a more beautiful place in the world to host a yachting regatta. Behind me are some of the members of the cruising class, and in winds like this, it's going to take them at least 4 hours, maybe 6, to complete the race. Is by far the most spectacular as the yachts round the cliffs of Phi Phi Don, spinnakers up and downwind all the way to Phuket. The principal sponsor was Binatone and the Royal Phuket Marina, headed by its owner and developer Gulu Lalvani. This sentiment was echoed by local resident Chris King of Linklaters, the company that brought champion yacht Mandrake from the UK and grabbed a second in the racing division. Race headquarters on Phuket is here at Carter Beach, and you couldn't find a nicer spot to watch the sunset behind the participating fleet of 76 boats. Then after the sun goes down, it's time to party. One of the best parties by far was to celebrate His Majesty the King's 75th birthday. The King's Cup is as much about parties and socialising as it is about sailing. The sailors have travelled here from throughout the world, so let's go and meet some of them. Hi guys, where are you from?
From Stormvogel.
Oh really?
really?
Yeah.
So you've travelled here for the King's Cup? Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah, from Malaysia.
First time or many
Yes.
times? Wow,
Yeah.
so how is it?
Oh, it's very good actually.
Yeah.
Wind's a little bit slack, but
Yes.
otherwise it's
Are
okay.
you here for the parties or the sailing?
A little bit of both actually,
A bit
but I
of
think the
both.
party's a little bit better than the
There you go,
sailing.
it's here for the parties, really. Yeah.
The highlight of the event was the prize-giving ceremony led by the King's representative. David Bailey from Hocus Pocus collected first prize for the Premier Cruising Division.
Oh, it was really nice. I've lived here for 13 years. I live in Phuket, and so the boat's based here in Phuket. And so I've been here for 13 years and done the King's Cup all the time, and it's really a nice feeling to have been able to win first in the Premier Cruising Division.
First prize in the racing division went to Yo, the trophy collected by skipper Peter Ahern.
I've had a long, hard week with a great result. We've basically had a very interesting regatta, extremely competitive, total mixture of competition, mixture of conditions, and it was very, very difficult in the early part because of the light winds. Then we had some heavy winds at the end of the week, and we sort of wanted to be somewhere in the middle as far as the wind conditions went. We managed to do okay in the light stuff. We struggled a little bit in the windy stuff, but on the average we came out okay and got a good result. But it wasn't easy because it was probably the most competitive King's Cup I've ever been in here. And after many years of trying, we finally did the business and got the trophy, which is great news.
Oh, I forgive you. Don't worry.